Best commercial truck insurance for 2023. Whether you own a commercial trucking fleet or driver for yourself as a private contractor, a commercial truck insurance policy is a must. The best commercial truck insurance companies offer coverage that meet state liability requirements for a range of vehicles, owners, and drivers. These insurers also offer discounts to save on premiums, plus assistant filling state and federal paperwork and provide responsive customer services. We researched and reviewed the best commercial truck insurance companies to sign up for, taking into account coverage type, price, policy, customization option, and more. Progressive. Best overall commercial truck insurance. Progressive pros coverages for a wide variety of truck and trucking companies. Free state federal insurance fillings. Does business in all 50 states. Cons. Limits to travel radius may apply. Cannot purchase policy online. Must work with agent. Progressive is one of the largest insurance of commercial trucking in the US, offering coverages for a range of vehicle and businesses from tractors, rigs and flatbeds to pickups and dump truck. The insurer also offers specialized optional coverage such as garage keepers, legal liability for tow truck operators, as well as more common add ones like heavy truck, roadside assistant. Additionally, Progressive say it will file any and all required state and federal proof of insurance certificates on behalf of policyholders free of charge. Progressive also boasts that it is the only insurer with the fully in-house team of claim adjusters. All of these factors are why we have named Progressive the best commercial truck insurer overall. There are some potential drawbacks with Progressive. However, the company doesn't offer primary liability insurance in Alaska, Hawaii, Louisiana, or New York to owners, operator, super regional truckers who cover a radius of more than 50 miles. And although Progressive websites offer much more detail about its policy offering than many competitors, you will have still have to work with an agent in order to complete the quote. Progressive and purchase coverages. Specs. Coverages type: liability, uninsured, medical payment, collision, comprehensive, motor truck, cargo, motor truck, general liability, non truck liability, heavy truck, roadside assistant, rental with rental, trailer interchange, garage keepers, legal liability on hog towing insurance, smart haul program, electronic logging devices, snapshot, ProView, electronic fleet monitoring, business experience operating for more than 3 year, commercial driver lessons, prior insurance savings, bundling with personal auto coverage, bundling with general business owners policy, paid in full, electronic payment, financial strength, A plus, superior from AM Best